Hey my friend, this video we're going to cook tomatoes scrambled eggs. As for ingredients, we need olive oil, 2 tomatoes, 3 eggs, and a scallion. Next, we are going to get our ingredients ready. First, I'm going to cut tomatoes into small pieces. Next, I'm going to crack the eggs into the bowl. And then mix them until the yolks and whites are fully mixed. Okay, next, I'm going to cut the scallion into small pieces as well. We just need a little bit the white part and a little bit the green part. Okay, first we add some olive oil. And then pour in the beaten eggs in. And then stir fry until it's fully cooked. Then we add tomatoes. Then we add some salt, a little bit. Okay, finally, we add the scallion. and fry it a couple of times. We're done.